Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Marina and today I'm going to unbox my June BoxyCharm. So I've already cut the tape. Here it is. Open it up. So first thing I'm noticing is this Skin & Co. Roma Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract, and looks like this. The bottle looks kind of dirty, but it is a white bottle, so who knows. It is safety sealed, so that's good. So Skin & Co. This retails for $25. Next, I'm pulling out the Touch & Soul No Pore-blem Prime Essence, and this retails for $23. Next, I have the Tarte Eyeshadow Palette, Be You Naturally. Comes like this. Now, I know that Tarte did make this palette specifically for BoxyCharm, so that is awesome. Oh my goodness, look at that packaging. Can you? In person, it's kind of 3D and holographic. It's gorgeous. It's not really showing it up on camera, but that's beautiful. Take this guy off. Is a little bit messy. Here we are. There isn't any names on it like the other palettes, like on the inside, but it does have the names on the outside. So I believe this one is called Sunbeam. This one's Explore. This one is Dusk. 1, 2, 3. This one's actually Tropical. So this one is Earthy. Can barely see it on my skin. We did Earthy and we did Tropical. Next is Crystallized. Glacier is this nice pink color. Ooh. And Daybreak is the darkest shade. I'm gonna put this in between those two. Here are the swatches. So very beautiful natural colors. I would like to do a quick look with this. So it's kind of bothering me that the names aren't on this, but that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, I believe it's Explore right here. I don't have any primers on my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go in with Daybreak. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful, like goldish shimmer shade, and I believe the shade is Dusk. I'm gonna place this on the middle part of my eyelid. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with Earthy right here. And I'm going to Now I'm going to go in with Daybreak. Explore. And then Earthy. I think that turned out very pretty. Next, I have a lip liner from Dirty Little Secret in the shade Rosy Posy. Ooh, lost the cap. The Dirty Little Secret lip liner retails for $15. Last thing, I have a lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics in the shade Peach Tea, and this retails for $17. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like cake batter. I don't know how I feel about the lip liner with it, but I think it looks very nice. So that's everything I got in my original BoxyCharm. I did order a second BoxyCharm through a different account just so I could get a few charms and see what else was in here, since this month I thought was going to be really cool with the BU Naturally palette. So I did open the tape up. Open it up, here we are. Excuse me. I have another Tarte BU Naturally palette, which I'm going to give to my mom. I have the Touch in Soul Pore Essence primer, which I will also give to my mom. Next, I have a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Strawberry Lemonade, and this is the shade that I originally wanted, so I'm glad that I did get this month because I think it's pretty good. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Yeah. Perfect. Next, I have a Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. This retails for $26. I didn't put any highlighter on, so let's test this bad boy out. Ooh, very jelly-like. Can you see that? Whoa. So I definitely feel like I should use my finger instead of a brush. Cool. So this is very pretty. I don't know if I would pay $26 for this though. I do have that Becca eyeshadow and jelly highlighter, so I can't remember how much that retailed for, but I think it was cheaper than this. Last in this box, I have matcha green tea face masks, a set of 3 of them. Overall, I think that this month's BoxyCharm was fabulous. I'm glad that I purchased a second one just because there's a lot of goodies in here. So if you're not already, I will leave my link to BoxyCharm somewhere and you guys can use that. I'm not an affiliate, but I will get charms for whenever they open up the charm room again. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize for bombarding you guys with all of these videos over the last 3 weeks, or I will be bombarding you soon with all of the videos over the last 3 weeks, so be prepared, or hope you were prepared for that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I do have a Facebook page under Marina Massacred. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!